everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, you just found my channel, you're stopping by, what's up? My name is Bianca. I make health, fitness, lifestyle, all types of videos, motivational, just it's a lot of fun over here. You should definitely subscribe, stick around, and join the fam. Today's video, I had the brilliant idea in my last vlog that I wanted to figure out a way to conquer camel toe in the gym because it's unavoidable in a lot of leggings, especially Lululemon Align leggings and some Gymshark leggings, Aloe Yoga leggings. I just feel so uncomfortable. I hate it. I don't like it. And I just wanted to see if there was a way to purchase something to get rid of it. So that's exactly what I did. I bought 3 things on Amazon. The first thing I got was the Silicon Valley Camel Toe Concealer. And then I also got the Cucini Lingerie Drawer Essentials. So that just came in this package. Also, just got a straight up thong from Amazon with a pad in it. So all these are from Amazon. I will put the links to all of them down below. I have already experienced them this week. I've already gone to the gym. I've gone to Orange Theory. I've worn them all. So I'm so excited to tell you guys what I thought about them. So I hope this helps you guys out. I know that it's not the most comfortable thing, so I'm here to test these out for you, to be embarrassed for you, so you guys can hopefully be less embarrassed in the gym. So let's get into it. So the first one from Silicon Valley. This one is a Camel Toe Concealer. It is a gel pad, it's adhesive, and something I liked about all of these is that you can rewear them, so you can wash them. They give you different ways to wash them, but they're all rewearable, so you're not wasting your money buying them over and over again. You can use them multiple times. This was the adhesive that stuck to you. I'm gonna go ahead and play the clips of me actually experiencing it, but I will say that this one was my favorite. Okay guys, so I always have the worst camel toe problems in Lululemon Align pants. Today I'm gonna be using the Conceal. So it's the Silicon Valley Camel Toe Concealer. So it adheres to your skin. Just gonna put it on, see what happens. You can't even tell that it's on. So that's cool. So far so good with this little blocker pad. We're about to do heavy hip thrusts. I'm using 245s too, guys, okay? I have to say that I did legs and it was like kind of like high intensity legs. So I give this camel toe blocker a 10 out of 10. I can't even. It was comfortable. I felt like I could have worn it to Orange Theory. I felt like you could wear it anywhere. I feel like you could wear it outside of your leggings if you just have like a pair of shorts or something. I really feel like this is a good camel toe blocker. So, sorry, I just can't even. Whatever. So, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't wanna be embarrassed. I'd rather do this. And I'm not even embarrassed. I'm helping my sisters out, okay? You need a camel toe blocker sometimes too.
I'm just not wearing those pants.
Yes, you do. I notice your toes sometimes. I'm like,
oh my god, seriously.
Yes.
Can we talk about something else? Colin's dying, I'm dying. Let's just stop.
Okay, we'll test out the next one tomorrow. So next up we have the actual thong. So again, from Amazon, I got a size small. You can pretty much see the pad inside. Also did a really good job of concealing the camel toe. But the only thing I didn't like about it was you could kind of see underwear lines. That's something that I don't particularly love when I'm at the gym or wearing Align pants. Some leggings you can wear them and you really can't see underwear lines, but some you do. And that's just not something I love, which is why I would have chose the Camel Toe Concealer over these. But if you're just wearing pants or anything and like you don't really mind seeing underwear lines, I would have definitely gone for this. Good morning. So Colin and I are actually staying in a hotel because my mom has friends passing through. They have conferences in Charlotte and so for their work. So they're staying at my mom's apartment in our room and we are in this hotel in South Park. It's actually really nice. But anyways, I put on the underwear today with the little pad insert just to try it out and see if I liked it. And you literally can't tell at all. If you like underwear lines, like you don't mind them, then I think that these are literally perfect. They're very comfortable. I was very surprised. I got a size small and I think that they're insanely comfortable and you literally can't even, I mean, you can kind of see the underwear lines, but not really. But since they have that padding in it, it completely masks the camel toe. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm impressed. And I'm trying all these out with Lululemon Align pants because I feel like those give me the biggest issues. So I wanted to test them all out with that. So anyways, I am already giving these a 10 out of 10. I think if you like underwear lines and they don't bother you, even though you can barely see them, you guys can see from here. And also, I don't feel like they would like ride up or fall down or anything, but yeah, we'll test them out. But so far, I'm giving them a 10 out of 10. I completely forgot to film after the gym today, but at Orange Theory, my underwear didn't move, and I didn't see a camel toe once. So I'm giving those a 10 out of 10 too. So we're doing really good so far because 2 of the products I bought are awesome. So now if you want it just kind of depends on your own personal preference, if you want something that sticks to you or if you want underwear. But I mean, you could honestly get both, like one for your regular outfits, like the underwear, and then the sticky stuff for the gym. I'm just really proud that both of them work really well. And I was very impressed. And my underwear didn't move a muscle, and like my Victoria's Secret underwear and stuff all over the place while I'm working out. It's like unacceptable. I can't even believe it. I'm so glad I did this video. Hashtag end camel toe. Last up, Cucini. So it comes in this little package. These are more like neoprene. These are actually meant to be worn in bathing suits, but I figured I'd just give it a try. And they look just like this. So I liked these, but not for the gym. I would have definitely worn these in my bathing suit. They just didn't really stay in place. But you can throw these in the washing machine, so that's really easy versus having to hand wash the camel toe concealer. So I did like how you could throw these in the washing machine and just clean them really easily. This was my least favorite out of the 3. So let me kind of give you guys my day of experience with wearing this. Okay guys, so 3rd day was a fail. So I did this one. This is the last one I was testing out. The reason why I didn't like it was because it didn't stick to you, 1, or 2, it wasn't in a thong. So you'd literally have to slip this in your underwear if you had a line. This is the second one, I'm wearing the other one. But yeah, so it just like moved around and I was not a fan, and I don't recommend this one unless you're wearing underwear and you can like slip it in. Otherwise, then it would have worked really well, but I just wasn't feeling this one today. I like the one that's sticky or the underwear a lot better. It totally blocked the camel toe and everything. It just has nothing to like keep it in place. But can you see? Like, and also I kind of feel it on the sides right here. So it's just, it could have been a lot better. I would recommend the other 2 unless you're gonna slip it in. If you're gonna slip it in, you're good to go. Or if you're just wearing regular clothes, then probably get this one. But it's, I mean, it's comfortable despite the feeling on the sides, but yeah, I would probably recommend the other ones. But I mean, it hit the camel toe, so it does do what it's supposed to do. I'm just using, and also this one wasn't really for working out. This one's more for like your bathing suit. Like you see on the back, it's supposed to like hide your bikini line and stuff. So I feel like it would be good for a bathing suit. So maybe I will wear it under my bathing suits sometimes, because sometimes that does happen to me. I'm just trying to avoid the camel toe in general. I'm not gonna like send them back because I use them, and I don't think you can return this stuff after you use it. But yeah, my hair's a mess, by the way. If you went to Orange Theory, it was the template where you did the tread block and then you did the same tread block but on the rower. Yeah, it was hard. Check me out. I need a shower. But I just had to give you guys that last update before I shower so we could end this vlog so I can help you guys save your camel toe faster. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys think I should do or try out next. Like any problems you guys have that you want me to try and find a solution for, I got you. But overall, I will link all these down below. I think that they all serve a really good purpose. It's just more of your personal preference, but I found that they all work pretty well. So, and they all concealed the camel toe, which is what the main purpose of this video was to do. So Colin loved that I filmed this video. So again, I will have all of these linked. I must do this and hit myself. I'll have all 3 of these linked down below. This was my favorite though, just because I just thought it was the easiest. I thought it was the least visible. Colin's blow drying his hair now, so I think it's time for me to go. We're all over the place because we're about to move. We're rushing here and there, getting a bunch of things done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what I should test out next, and I will see you guys in my next video.